I welcome to all of you from RBS Basic Research Academy. Dear friends, in this video, I'm going to discuss a very important technique, and this is about the compute variable. Whenever we want to apply, especially the multiple regression, we need to apply this technique before applying the multiple regression. Otherwise, it would not be possible to apply the multiple regression. What is compute variable? How you can compute a new variable? That is the topic of this video. In the first part of this video, I'm going to discuss theoretically what is compute variable, and then another part of this video, I will discuss about the how you can compute variable practically. Dear friends, let's start our this video. So far, my these videos are available on the different topic of the data manipulation, sort cases, merge file, split file. This is video is on the group compute variable. Dear friends, normally you are getting this type of you have the model, and I have also this type of the model, research model. Now here the green purchasing behavior is our dependent variable, and environmental knowledge, trust, interpersonal influence, media. These are the independent variable, and these are our hypothesis. Now what I want to check the impact of all these independent variable on this dependent variable. Normally, you see questionnaire, the different items are there of the green purchasing behavior. For example, here, now in the green purchasing behavior, there are the 7 items. Now, for there are 7 items of this construct, 6 item of this construct, 3 item of this construct, for example. So now different items are there. Now it's very difficult to regress the different items of this construct with the different item of this construct. It's not possible. So that's why what is the solution of this problem? That we should compute a new variable, green purchasing behavior, by adding the all the like the items of these one and dividing by the total number of these items. In this way, we will get the average of the green purchasing behavior, average of this one, average. And then in this way, it will be very easy to regress these results. Now, this is one example, green purchasing behavior. Sometimes necessary to compute a new variable where we want to condense means take the average of all these one. And then how to do this one? Just go into the transform and compute variable. When you enter in this one, you will find this type of the window. Here, this one is about the compute variable. This is a target variable. That is the variable which you want to create, new. So now you can see that the here is a job satisfaction now. And in order to differentiate the job satisfaction, I have put the average job satisfaction. These are the I think that these are the 7 items of job satisfaction. These are 7 items job satisfaction, and I want to take the average. When I will take the average, a new variable will be created. How to take the average? You know the formula of average. Now I have brought all these one here. Job satisfaction 1, I think it is a job satisfaction 1, 2, 4. In the same way, I have moved here to here. So when you will do practically, you will understand these things, not problem. Now, job satisfaction 1, this is the 1, and this is the 7, this is the 7. I have added all these one and divided by 7. And when you will do this one, the new variable will be created, and new variable which has been created right now. And this is a command, and this is the function. I have different functions, arithmetic, mathematical functions are there. When you click arithmetic, you will get functions which are available in this group. These will be here. If you click the conversion, whatever the functions are in the conversion, you will find here. And then this is the description of every function. Like this is the description of the log 10. This is the, so that's why if you click ln, yeah, or like any other one, cos, mode, whatever, it's the same way the description of that variable available here. For example, exponential. If you click this one, the detail about the exponential will appear over here. You press OK, like this button, then you will get this type of the message, and this message confirms that command has been executed by the uh, SPSS. So that's why now this is the complete detail of your command compute variable where these variable you have inserted in that one. And then this is the message about the execution that your command has properly been executed. Now that newly separate variable has been created here, and now in the same way you can create variable for the rest of the your environmental knowledge, trust, interpersonal, media. You can create for all these one, and then you can run the multiple regression on these variable different individual variable, and then you can take your results. Dear friends, this may be somewhat difficult for you, but now I'm when we will do it practically, it will be very easy for you to understand all these things. These books, again, I'm referring to develop all my videos, and I hope you're also referring these books. Now, let's move to the practical part of this video. Dear friends, let's move towards the practical part of this video. So this is a set data set on which we will do our practical. As we are understanding how to compute the variable, so that thing we are going to do. How to compute? First of all, you are going to go into the transform. Now the transform itself, the word, you can understand that you are transforming from the one shape to another shape. So here that we are transforming this data. First of all, go into the compute variable, click it, and this window will appear. Now, this is the target variable, the variable with the name which you want to create, because where here you are going to compute a new variable. The name of that variable should be there. So this is the name of this variable, average underscore green purchasing behavior. Now, this is our dependent variable, if you remember the model. Now, this is my way to give the name to a new variable. Now, you can follow your own way. This is not a problem. And then this is the expression, numeric expression. Here you are giving your own expression or the command which you want to do. And here there are the functions. There are several functions are there. If you go down, several functions are there. So in each function, again, there are the other functions are there. So now if you click like the square root, here you will find the explanation of this square root. What is basically square root? And then if you click another one, you will get another one. If you want to current date, then this explanation. Now, this is the function group, and these are the different techniques or functions which are available in each group. Okay. Now we want to compute the variable. First of all, GPB1 plus GPB3 plus. Now, please remember the formula of the average, because we are taking average actually here, average of the GPB1 to GPB3. These are five very items are there of this construct. So please try to know the difference between the item and the construct. GPB1, 3, and then GPB5, and then GPB6 and GPB2. Now, these are total 5 divided by 5. Now, order of these variable is not important. For example, GPB1 and 2 is in. It's not a problem. Anywhere, maybe. Whatever the order of this may be, you will get the same results. Now, then just press button. We have got this message. It means compute. Now we have computed what we have computed, average GP. This is a new variable. Now this variable comprising on GPP1 to GPP2. These five items are the part of this construct. And this execute means that your command has been executed properly. Now we are on our data set. Our command has been properly executed. How? Now this new variable has been created over here, GPB. This is the new variable. So that's why our command has successfully been executed. Now 10.4, this 10.4 actually means that when you add these GPP1 to GPP2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, when you add all these one and divided by 5, you will get this like the value, because this average. So now these are your cases. If you anyone you can do, you will get the same result which are mentioned in this one correspondingly with the each case. Now in this way, first variable we have created, we are going to create another variable. Okay, now what, how? But first you should delete all these one and change Now this time I'm going to make the what we should do. Okay, I think EK, environmental knowledge. I'm going to create environmental knowledge, new variable. Okay, then move first one plus this is very important. 2 and again plus 6 again plus and 3 again plus and then ek 1 and plus and now if 1 2 3 4 5 total 5 are there and divided by 5 and then press ok. The same message you have received here. Earlier there was the GPP, but this time this is the environmental knowledge or EK. It consisted of EK2 and to EK1. These are the variables. No, these are the item of this variable divided by, and this shows that this one that your command has been executed properly. Here we are watching that the another variable has been created and the name of this variable is average EK. I again remember you reminding you that the name of this variable you can keep at your own choice. Now the variable has been created in this way. You can create all the variables, whatever the like the constructs are there. Dear friends, to save our time, I have created the rest of the means the variables. And if you remember again the model, there were the 4 independent variable and 1 dependent variable. The same variable I have computed the separate variable for each construct over here. Now it is very easy to apply the multiple or simple regression on this one. Okay, go and do this one. For example, we are going to the analyze regression, linear regression. Okay, and then now this is our data. For example, here is a dependent variable and we have to put inside our independent variable. Now for example, dependent variable is GPP is our dependent and rest of are our independent variable. Now for example, which type of the item we would want to include is very difficult. Or in the independent variable there are the several independent variable are there. So which independent variable which you want to insert from the media, which one from the price, which one from the interpersonal, it's very difficult in order to solve this problem. So now the compute variable technique is there. Now then, this is the average of all dependent variable items. Just insert here, and the rest of the independent variable you can insert over here. And then just press OK, and you will get the results of your. Okay, in this way, we have come to know that the how we can create a variable separate for each construct of your model and how we can apply the multiple or single regression on that one. So now after creating these variable, has become very easy to apply all these. Otherwise, it was not possible to apply the multiple regression on this data. At the end, again, I'm hopeful that you have learned some new information regarding the compute variable. And if you have learned some new thing, please like it, share it. The maximum benefit can go to the different people. Thank you very much for watching this video.